Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a snowball surprise fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our snowball surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. I'm going to go ahead and give it a nice fold by lining up the corners and folding right down the middle, kind of like I'm making a birthday card. So it opens up like this. Then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to give it another fold right here by lining up the corners again. And this way it kind of looks like a bookmark. Now, when you're done, you can open it up like this, or you can open it up like this. And you have these nice little guidelines in here that show you where to keep the inside of your drawing. But I like to keep mine like this. Now to start off with our snowball surprise, let's begin by making kind of like a bumpy circle shape in here. So I'm just going to go ahead, I'm just going to make kind of like a bumpy circle shape right here, because snowballs aren't perfectly smooth. Next down here, I'm going to make a kind of bumpy smiley face shape. And then right down here, I'm going to make it look like it's sitting in some snow. So I'm going to add some curved lines on each side. I'll make a couple more little bumpy lines. And we'll just kind of add some little kind of curvy bumpy lines all around here. I want to make another little bumpy line or two here. And then one over here just for some detail. Now, starting up here, I'm going to give my snowball a face. So I'm going to begin by making a circle for an eye. I'm going to leave some space, then I'll make another circle for an eye over here. Then I'm going to make a black dot inside each one. We'll make a line across. Then let's go ahead and make a big happy face for the mouth, with a little curved line in here for the tongue. And then I like to add a couple little lines in here just to give it a little bit of detail. Now let's go ahead and open this up and add the inside. Now once I open this up, I have all this room to add a few more snowballs in here. So let's go ahead and let's work on from the top and go down. So I'm going to start here, and I'm just going to connect this using kind of like a little bumpy smiley face. Then starting here, I'm going to make another kind of bumpy circular curve shape that's going to come up here. I'll do one right here. You can make these a little different size. And then I'm going to bring this line up to here, and this line up to here. Now the next thing is to add some different faces on here. So I'm going to start right in here, and let's go ahead and make a really happy one. So I'm going to make two little sad faces for eyes. Then this time I'm going to make a line that comes over here. Then we're going to come down and up here with a little curve in here. And I'm going to put some teeth on this one. Now over here, let's make a winking one. So I'm going to make a little line that comes in and then back like this. We'll make a little circle shape here with a dot in the middle. And then we'll make a little line that goes up, and we're going to bring it down with another little curve in here for the tongue. Now let's make a grumpy snowball right here, since this one's on the bottom. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to make a little line that's just going to go down, and then it's going to come back here. And then we'll do the same thing. We're just going to go down and then come back, kind of like a check mark shape. I'm going to put a little black dot inside each one for the eyes. And then I'm just going to make a little sad face here, like he's kind of grumpy looking. And then I'm going to make a little circle shape around each one just to make the eyes a little bigger. And then on these little snowballs up here, I'm going to make some more little bumpy, broken lines on here just for a little bit of detail. Now, once you have it all closed up, you can see we have our little happy snowball. And then when we open it up, it turns into 4 snowballs. 3 of them are happy and the one on the bottom's a little grumpy. And then you can always go and even add extra things in here, like if you want to put some snow or different things, it's totally up to you. But there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.